Hi friends, today we will see a very important question of digital electronics, that is how we can convert base 3 number into base 9 number. For converting base 3 number into base 9 number, first we have to understand what is the base. So if you talk about the base, if it is base 2, so we can write only 0 and 1 eigen coefficient. And if it is base 8 number means octal number, so we can write 0 to 7 eigen coefficient. If it is base 10 number, so we can write 0 to 9 eigen coefficient. And if it is hexadecimal number, base 16 number, so we can write 0 to f eigen coefficient. So here we can also see that it is an base 3 number, so maximum coefficient is 2. Uh, so uh, if you talk about binary number, so every position have their weight. First position have 0 weight, second is 2, 4, 8, like that. And if you take an example of any value, so here it is 0, 1, 1, 0. Uh, so how it is calculated the value? Then 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. So it will be uh, 4 plus 2. It will be 6. So we can see it is 6. Uh, like that, in base 3 also there are positional weight. So every position have their weight. First position have 0 weight, second position have 3 weight. So if you take an example of any number, how this digit is calculated, this value is calculated. Uh, so take an example of this one, 2, 1. So it is 2 into 3 to the power 1 plus 1 into 3 to the power 0. So it will be 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So here we can see it is 7. And we also know that if base is 3, maximum coefficient we can write 2. So if base is 9, if we have to write base 9, so maximum coefficient we can write only 8. Afterward 9, 10, 11, 12 we can't write inside eigen coefficient of base 9 number. So we wrote here till 8. Now first we see the binary conversion, how it happened. Take an example like 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, and this is in base 2 number. If we have to convert it into base 8 number, so direct formula we can apply, like we know that 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3. So by pairing of 3 bits and writing the corresponding value of 3 bits, we can directly convert base 2 number into base 8 number. Likewise, if we have to convert it into base 16 number, so we know that 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4. So by pairing of 4 bit and writing the corresponding value of 4 bit, uh, we can directly convert base 2 number into base 16 number. So here we have a number, so we have to convert it into base 8 number. For that we have to pair 3 bits, pair 3 bits. Here one left, so add 2 more 0 and pair it with 3. Write the corresponding value of these bits, 3, 1, 1. So 113 is the base 8 number of this binary number, and if we have to convert it into base 16 number, so make a pair of 4 4. So first write the bit uh, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, and make a pair of 4 4 bit. Here it is only 3 bits, so add one more 0 and make a pair. Write the corresponding value. So it is 11. 11 means it is B and it is 4. So 4B is in base 16 number. So now we come on our question to convert this base 3 number into base 9 number. First write the number 2 2 0 2 2 2 1 0 1 2 point 1 2 2 1 2. We know that uh, if we have to convert it into 9, so 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2. So by pairing of 2 bit of base 3 number, we directly convert it into base 9 number. So make a pair of 2 bit, 2 bit, 2 bit. Here only one is left, so add 1 0 and make a pair. Left side also we have to make the pair. Mm, According to this table, write the corresponding bit. 2 0, 2 0 is 6, so write 6. 2 1 is 7, 1 2 is 5, 1 2 is 5, 1 0 is 3, 2 2 is 8, 0 2 is 2, and 2 2 is 8. So this number will be 8 2 8 5, sorry, 8283.576. This become in base 9 number. The second this second question, you write the correct answer in comment box. I think you understand this very well. If you understand this, share this video with your friends and like this video. Thank you.